Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer domain from GoDaddy to Namecheap, full guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring your domain from GoDaddy to Namecheap, log in to your GoDaddy account. Once logged in, navigate to the My Products section. Locate the domain you wish to transfer, and click on the DNS button next to it. Scroll down to the Additional Settings section. Here, look for the option labeled Transfer Domain Away from GoDaddy. Click on this option to access the transfer settings. You may need to unlock your domain if it's currently locked. To unlock the domain, toggle the domain lock switch to the off position. Once unlocked, copy the authorization code displayed on the page. Next, log in to your Namecheap account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged into Namecheap, go to the Domain Transfer section. Enter your domain name in the provided field. Paste the authorization code you copied earlier into the designated area. Click on the Transfer button to initiate the process. Namecheap will check the eligibility of the transfer and notify you if any issues arise. If everything is in order, you'll be directed to the checkout page. Review the order details and click Confirm to proceed with the payment. Wait for an email from Namecheap to confirm the transfer request. This email will contain further instructions and a link to approve the transfer. Follow the link to finalize the approval for the domain transfer. After approval, the transfer process can take several days to complete. You will receive notifications via email when the transfer is finalized. That's it. Your domain should now be successfully transferred to Namecheap. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.